The other day, I walked into the bathroom and something was off. Or out, rather. The left drawer was on the countertop. Any good carpenter will tell you that's not where a drawer is supposed to be. My first thought was maybe Kristen pulled it out to find something. First thoughts are often dumb. I peered into the unoccupied portion of my vanity. It's broken. That bottom bit of the mount is broken off. It also looks like a cheap replacement. And yes, I also noticed the split piece of wood above it. Buying a home is such a gift.
It's the gift that keeps on giving the whole year.
It's dealer's choice, so I grabbed a piece of mahogany that I got from a friend after a remodel. Some would consider that reclaimed. It's a fine line between reclaimed and dumpster diving, isn't it, folks? All I needed to do was drill a hole in the piece, cut it down to size, grab a screw, and then I could move on to installation. I had to drill another pilot hole in the backer piece under the vanity, which, if I'm lucky, is attached with more than just wood glue and some brad nails, I guess. This house is a mutt, and I love it all the same. There wasn't really enough room for me to use my drill to screw this in, so I ended up doing it by hand, which was super awkward. Then I put the drawer in and rolled it back, and everything worked perfect. But I didn't really feel satisfied, so I pulled it out a little bit and put it back in again, and that was what I wanted to feel. I was happy with that and ready to move on with my day. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you watch another one. I make a lot of weird videos. I make woodworking videos. That is what this channel is all about. And I am in the process of building out my new wood shop. Follow along if you're interested in seeing how I go about doing that. Maybe subscribe. That'd be cool too. Have a good day.